Hi legends! Your face is always doing different things. That's called an expression, and expressions help us understand what emotions you're feeling. So today we're going to practice reading emotions by playing Emotions Detective. You are going to see two different expressions and we are going to tell you to find one emotion. All you need to do is read the two expressions to find the right emotion. You will move to the right or left and then copy that same expression. Let's go!
Okay, the first expression to find is fear. Which expression is telling you that I'm feeling the emotion fear? Okay, can you find the expression anger? Which expression is telling you that I'm feeling angry? Next up, can you find sadness? Which expression is telling you that I'm feeling sad? Okay, for the next one, can the emotion detectives find surprised? Which expression is telling you I'm feeling surprised? One of my favorite emotions, can you find joyful? Which expression is telling you that I'm feeling joyful? Now, which expression, emotion detectives, is telling you that I'm feeling anxious? Well done, emotion detectives. Now for this next one, which expression is telling you I'm feeling embarrassed? For this next one, can you find the expression that is telling you that I'm feeling jealous? Well done, emotion detectives. Now it's time to find bored. Which expression is telling you that I'm feeling bored? Here we go. The next one is disgust. Emotion detectives, find the expression that's telling you I'm feeling disgusted. This next one might be a little tricky. Which one is telling you that I'm feeling confused? I can't trick you, emotion detectives. Now let's find the expression that's telling you that I'm feeling the emotion of peaceful. Well done, emotion detectives. For this next expression, can you find proud? Which expression is telling you I'm feeling proud? Let's keep going. Which expression is telling you that I'm feeling thoughtful? Well done. Which expression is now telling you that I'm feeling the emotion of guilt? Okay, emotion detectives, which expression is telling you that I'm feeling the emotion of frustration?
Well done, legends. You were amazing emotion detectives. You were able to read the expression and understand the emotion that was sitting underneath it. I'll see you next time, legends.